Good afternoon, class. In today's lecture, we will learn how to use Microsoft Word, and we will use the featured table in Microsoft Word to develop a database. So, what we will do to start our lessons, we will go on the Start button. We will view all programs, select all programs, scroll up to Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office, and here Microsoft Word comes up. You click on the icon, and here now you would see a white screen as in the form of a blank sheet. This we would use to develop our table, and within our table we will design a database with your personal information and that of your parents. When we finish, we will save, and then we will close the document, and again we will rename the document and save it and open it again. So as we look on the top of the icons to the very top, we will select the Insert tab. As we select the Insert tab, we will see a table comes up. We will customize our table. We will select the arrow button to the very beneath of the word table. Click on it, and there you would see table with various numbers of rows and various numbers of columns. Now, if you want to insert a new table and customize the amount of columns and rows, then you could select Insert Table. When you click on that icon, you would see a box that comes up that prompts you, asking to identify the number of columns that you need in your table, and as well as the number of rows. So for example, in my example, I will use 7 columns, and I would also use 8 rows. When I select the number of tables and rows that I need, I would select OK. And there you would see a table comes up. If you look at the table, I selected 8 columns and 7 rows. And if you were to check, you will see the number of rows and columns match. So class, everyone has that? Okay, so the next stage is to insert your personal information. You will place on the very first column to the very top in the cell, you would put your first name, you will put a middle name if you have, then you will put your surname, you will put your age, you will put your gender, you will put your phone contact or parent contact number, and you will put your address. And in the last column, we would put remarks. So students, go right ahead and insert that information to create your database. When you finish, you will close, you will save, you will name it, give the file a name, put it as your name, and then open a second one and create a database with your parent number with the same information required. Okay, so go ahead and complete your task. When you finish, I will personally view it and award a marks accordingly. Alright, take care. Thanks.